Hi guys! Welcome to our Malta travel series. Stay tuned and journey with us as we discover together this wonderful Mediterranean country. In today's episode, we get to explore the Popeye Village. We will check out the architecture, play some mini golf, watch a parade, and go for an egg hunt. Stay tuned for this full tour of Malta's Popeye Village. We hope you will enjoy watching this video.
And don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Another day, another place to visit in Malta. Today we are on our way to Popeye Village. Are you excited to go to Popeye Village, Elijah? No? No? Not really?
I want to go check.
Okay. So we are on our way to the Popeye Village. Let's jump into this rent-a-car, electric rent-a-car, and go there.
We just reached here in one of the best vantage point overlooking the Popeye Village. So there it is at my back. Such a beautiful view over here. And we're gonna go towards it to let Elijah enjoy it. Let's go! Just enjoy the Popeye Village. We got our distance, so now we will explore the Popeye Village.
Opened in 1979 as a purpose-built film set, the Popeye Village is now a small attraction fun park. The park consists of a collection of rustic wooden buildings, playhouses with live events, activities, and characters meet up. We are now inside the Popeye Village. We just paid entrance fee. It's like 15 euro per adults and 12 euro for kids, and we're gonna check out this place out. So apparently there was a movie done here and they built all this setup, and now they just have it like a tourist attraction. The first thing that you will notice when you get to the village are the beautiful surroundings. The village is located in this beautiful bay surrounded by rugged cliffs and turquoise waters. The map of the village. Okay, this is where you get your popcorn. This is where you get your postcard. This is where you get like Wi-Fi everywhere. As you enter the village, you are welcomed by these lovely houses. We are roaming around the Popeye Village, checking out the small huts and houses. So what's happening? What's here?
Here is the post office. Look at that.
Ooh, post office.
The dental clinic. Can you not feed
The
it?
dental clinic.
Yeah.
Oh, he's having his teeth done, baby.
Dentist, you say? Dentist. What? Here's the shop. It's the store.
Woohoo. What's that, Elijah? What fruit is that? What vegetable is that?
Wanna see it. Wanna take it.
You want to take it?
Yeah.
There's a bake.
There's a bakery as well.
Wanna see it. Wanna see it.
Hello. Are you having fun?
She's gonna take picture of us. How to do it? Should we sit over here? Okay. Sit down.
Elijah had his picture taken here, and he got his complimentary. What is that? Biscuit cookie. What did you get, Elijah?
This one.
What's that?
Bunny.
The bunny? The Popeye. Popeye bunny.
Eftimies.
This is the Popeye cookie, and they gave it to Elijah so that he can enjoy it, and he would like to eat it now. Show the daddy. Show the daddy. How is it? How is it? You like it? You like it? Wow.
Say thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Comes in this nice leaflet. You see that? Let's go check what's next here in the village. We are just chilling out now here, waiting for the parade to start at 2:30. Meanwhile, Elijah is taking pictures there. And since we visited the village during the Easter season, we were able to witness one of their parades. It's worth mentioning that some of these live activities are only available during certain occasions. So it's good to check out the schedule of these events before you go.
just stopped over here at the game area and we're just letting Elijah play and enjoy a bit.
The village also features a fun, kids-friendly mini golf play area.
Hold it like this.
Our son Elijah enjoyed learning this game and playing here.
Ready?
Again?
2, shoot! Yeah!
Elijah is taking the stick and the ball and he's going for it.
What out?
Let's go, let's go. Let's go now.
Next one, baby, next one.
And next, it was time for an egg hunt.
If we found some kids alone, we will remove the basket and we will take the kids and we will put in Amazon. Okay? Very important.
The village prepared a fun egg hunt game with teams made up of different kids and parents, and those collecting the most eggs will win some prizes.
Where is the egg?
The countdown starting very soon.
Elijah hurried up and went for it immediately. He loved and enjoyed playing this game.
Where is it? Where is it? Where can it be? What are you looking for? What are you looking
Eggs.
for? Eggs. Elijah, how many you have?
1, 2, 3. And 1 more.
So far he found 2 eggs. Not there?
It's up here.
Oh, nothing.
Green, wow.
Now, kids, come up with your team. And you, my friends, what is your team name?
King Elijah.
Elijah.
King Elijah.
Elijah.
King.
King Elijah, everybody. Team King Elijah.
We're done now here at the Popeye Village and we're gonna make our way to the next destination.
Thank you guys. We hope you enjoy watching this video. Remember to share it, give us a like and comment below, and if you love watching our videos, kindly click that subscribe and bell icon above. Thanks and see you on the next one.
Hello guys. Here's the others. Here's Daddy. Here's 14, 18, 100. Alright.